Welcome to the Indian Express. A day after the Delhi High Court directed Congress President Sonia Gandhi and Vice President Rahul Gandhi to appear before a Delhi trial court in the National Herald case, the Delhi trial court today fixed December 19th as the date when the duo will have to appear before it. I have with me Conan Sharif, who's tracking the story from the courts. Conan, what exactly happened in the trial court today?
Yeah, so during the proceedings, senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi appeared for the Gandhis. He submitted to the court that they want a day's exemption as Delhi High Court has just ordered in the afternoon, yesterday afternoon. But interestingly, he said they are willing to appear before the trial court in the National Herald case. Subramanian Swamy, the complainant in this case, said that the plea seeking a single day's exemption is not made out in this case because the trial court had already fixed the date in September and they had this date 3 months prior to the hearing. However, the trial court has agreed, for a day's exemption, has ordered that all the accused persons, all the 6 accused persons, appear before December 19th. During the proceedings also, senior advocate Ramesh Gupta, appearing for Sam Petroda, brought up the issue that Sam Petroda is in the US and there is he might not likely to be appear before the court, but Metropolitan Magistrate Loveleen has made it very clear that all the accused persons have to appear before on December 19th. The court has also said that the fact that it's a very high profile case, that it would be done post lunch and not early in the morning. So that's what has happened in the trial court.
Okay. And the matter also generated a lot of heat in the Parliament today with the Congress bringing both the houses, the Rajya Sabha as well as the Lok Sabha, to a standstill over the issue. My colleague Manoj CG was tracking these developments in the Parliament. Manoj, the Congress went all out today to disrupt the proceedings there over this case.
Yeah, there was a there was a substantial shift in the Congress position in the last 24 hours. When the High Court verdict came yesterday, the Congress was planning to counter it legally. The first reaction was that they will go to the Supreme Court seeking an exemption. But through the night there were discussions and they concluded that it's a political issue after all. So it has to be waged politically, there has to be a political battle. So today in the morning, Sonia Gandhi met Congress MPs in Lok Sabha. She said, we will fight it politically. Congress stalled both the houses of Parliament today. And the decision of the Congress party is very clear. This is a political battle. There is an element of political vendetta. That is what the Congress is saying.
Right.
So in Rajya Sabha, through the day there were disruptions. Leader of the opposition Ghulam Nabi Azad referred to cases against Congress chief ministers, including Mr. Veerbhadra Singh. And he said there are cases against other political parties also, opposition. So there's an attempt to, bring together all the opposition parties together, saying the government is targeting the opposition. So that is where things stand today. Okay. What will happen tomorrow is a different day. But as on today, the Congress is waging a political battle.
So how do you see this playing out in the Parliament from now on? Do you see crucial legislation, the GST for instance, getting affected by this fresh round of animosity between both the sides?
The political atmospherics obviously has been spoiled by these developments. There was considerable bonhomie, if not bonhomie, there was a reaching out from both sides in the last week, after Prime Minister's, that tea diplomacy with Congress President. And there was hope that the GST may finally be through. The discussions on GST are still continuing. Congress leader, the deputy leader in Rajya Sabha, Mr. Anand Sharma said it's work in progress. Right. They are narrowing down the differences. Obviously, Congress will be politically correct, will try to be politically correct, and they will say we are not linking GST with this issue. This is largely a legal battle. But because this atmospherics has been spoiled, we'll have to wait and watch how legislations and how this cooperation between government and the Congress will move forward.
So do you see more disruptions happening?
Disruptions could happen. Disruptions could happen, yes. But tomorrow, there is this allegation by the ruling party that you have to fight a court battle in court outside. Right. Today the Congress tried to make a point, but they cannot afford to disrupt Parliament every day. So tomorrow could be a different day, but the confrontation between government and the opposition, especially Congress, has deepened with this verdict.
All right. And Conan, what are the possibilities on the legal front? Do the Gandhis still have a legal window open to wriggle out of the situation? Can they escape appearing in the court?
Yeah, definitely they can move to the Supreme Court and challenge the Delhi High Court order, where the Supreme Court can stay the trial in the proceedings in the trial court. But it would be interesting to watch, because Singhvi has told in the court that they're willing to appear in the trial court. We have to wait and watch what the Congress does.
Okay. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for this information. Thanks for watching.